What is cartilage?
Cartilage is a smooth, flexible tissue found in many areas of the body, including joints. Unlike bone, cartilage is not rigid. It acts as a cushion and helps reduce friction when bones move. This special tissue is made up of water, collagen fibers, and proteoglycans, providing both strength and flexibility. Maintaining healthy cartilage is essential for overall joint function.
Cartilage's role in joint movement.
When you move a joint, such as your knee or elbow, cartilage covers the ends of the bones where they meet. This protective layer absorbs shock and prevents the bones from rubbing against each other. By providing a smooth surface, cartilage ensures that movement is fluid and comfortable, allowing you to walk, bend, and stretch with ease.
Protecting against wear and tear.
Everyday activities put stress on our joints. Cartilage acts as a protective barrier, helping to minimize damage from repeated motion or sudden impact. Without healthy cartilage, joints become vulnerable to friction, inflammation, and pain. Over time, damaged cartilage can lead to conditions like osteoarthritis, where bones rub together and movement becomes painful.
How cartilage heals and repairs.
Unlike other tissues, cartilage has a very limited blood supply, which makes healing slow and difficult. When cartilage is injured, it cannot fully regenerate on its own. Scientists and doctors are exploring treatments such as physical therapy, supplements, and even cartilage transplants to restore joint health and relieve pain caused by cartilage loss.
Keeping cartilage healthy.
To protect your cartilage, it's important to stay active but avoid excessive strain on your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and incorporating exercises that strengthen the muscles around your joints can help. Taking care of your cartilage supports joint health, reduces the risk of injury, and allows you to enjoy a lifetime of comfortable movement.